Okay, I just bought the QHOHQ iPhone cover for a 14 Pro Max, and it just came in the mail from Amazon. I'll put the link below. I'm gonna open it up here. Purchased another one and it was super flimsy. It was $26. Alright, so this has got the camera lens cover protector, and then the front screen protector. This is for the Pro Max, so it's a 6.7 inch. There's 1, 2, 3 camera lens protectors. There you go. And then I think you put this ring on, and then you drop the lens protector in place. And then I guess this is to open up the new case. I got a neon color because I always lose my phone in between the seat of the car. And this is nice. This is really nice. It's rigid down here at the bottom, and right here by the buttons, it's flexible, but it feels much more substantial than the one that was $26. And it's got a raised rim around the camera to protect the lenses. And then they say this is raised once you put the phone in. I don't have the phone in yet, it's coming in the mail. But this is only 16 bucks, and it's got like a felt in here, and then there's nothing in where the buttons are. So it looks like it's gonna protect it real well. The other one I ordered was completely cheap. It seemed like a $1 cover, maybe from the dollar store, and I didn't have any faith in it for impact. And I'm pushing on that pretty hard, and that's the corner without anything in here, and it's holding up good, holding up well. So anyhow, links below. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.